At the heart of the luxury-laden event, Babbie and Len, the golden power couple, radiated beauty and success that captivated everyone's attention. Guru Baba's wise eyes locked onto Babbie and Len, sensing their craving for something beyond their materialistic existence. Intrigued by the stark contrast, Babbie and Len cautiously engage in a conversation with Guru Baba, as uncertainty intertwines with curiosity. The power couple's eyes widen as Guru Baba shares profound wisdom, unraveling the flaws in their pursuit of external beauty and material possessions. A montage captures the emptiness underlying the perfect smiles, lavish homes, and endless superficial pursuits that defined Babbie and Len's lives. Away from the bright light, Babbie and Len leave behind their materialistic world, venturing into spiritual depths, eager to discover their true essence. The road to self-discovery tests their commitment, pushing Babbie and Len to the brink of doubt, forcing them to confront their deepest fears. Bathed in the gentle warmth of enlightenment, Babbie and Len emerge, their faces radiant with an inner beauty they had long ignored. With the power of their story, Babbie and Len break through the facade of social media, spreading a message of authenticity and inspiring others to seek true happiness. The movement sparked by Babbie and Len's story spreads like wildfire, igniting a generation's quest for inner fulfillment and inspiring a collective awakening. Guru Baba, quiet and content, smiles knowing his teachings have created ripples of transformation, forever altering the lives of Babbie and Len and those who follow their footsteps. Babbie and Len, now influencers for a purpose-driven life, continue their journey, their radiant souls shining through, guiding others towards their true selves.